This is the lineup for the away side. In goal, Alphonse Areola. Emerick Laporte plays with Kurt Zuma in central defence. James Rodriguez starts. He was man of the match in his last game. And up front, Antoine Griezmann, the main striker today.
Thank you, CenturyLink Field.
Well, stadiums get renamed, and we call this now the CenturyLink Field. Seattle Sounders have certainly been at the forefront of so much of the growth of football in the United States of America.
Yeah, it's a hotbed of football up here. You get that feeling when you walk through the city, and there's certainly a good atmosphere within this stadium.
They cope with it well defensively. Well, here could be a chance for the corner. Rodriguez. Offside. That's an easy decision. Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation. Oh, no scraps for the attackers to feed on from the goalkeeper that time. Hung on to the ball well. Well, he really could be the star of the show today.
In fine form in front of goal. Top scorer in the league with 8.
Comes in with a tackle. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. Promising build-up until that challenge. Just working away to try and find an opening. Tries the through pass. Goes for it with a fist. And here's the shot. Over the goalkeeper, but over the bar as well, just. Kevin Campbell. Daniele De Rossi. A couple of teammates who are clearly on the same wavelength. They'll need to try and get the ball back now. Attacking now. Through pass. Gonna try his luck. Well, that's the way to take the lead. That's a stunning goal. Fine move. Excellent application in front of goal. He's a really good player. And he's taken the chance with some aplomb here. And that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here. David Villa. Typified the competitive nature of this game, that tackle. It's only a throw-in. Daniele De Rossi. Kevin Campbell. Here's Barnetta. Oh, he could be in. Well, they've been thwarted here. That's a sign of better things to come. Doing well to keep the ball. And they've cut it out. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. The shot's on! And the goalkeeper can take charge now. And headed towards where a teammate can gather the ball. The home team today will be wondering where the next point, let alone the next win, is coming from after 6 defeats in a row.
Totally miserable for them. And they look a defeated side at the moment. I mean, it takes character to turn the corner, and they need to show it.
Keane. Kevin Campbell. Great passage of passing play there. And the referee says, free kick. Well, that's risky going in like that.
Well, he's tried to go for the slide tackle, and he's a fraction off getting the ball. It is a foul.
Defender to it first. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. Good link up. And it's a shot now. Goal! They lead by 2 now. Took the chance nicely, and that really has given them much more of a basis for the rest of this match. Well, he might be a defender by name, but he's got an attacker's instincts, as this shows.
Well, his teammates are all over him. They know he's capable of doing that. I think he does it plenty of times in training, but this one's valuable.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0.
Number 20, Hector Bellerin.
Kaká.
Well, I don't know who the lad saw there, passing the ball. Somebody in the crowd, maybe.
Kaká. And the referee has given the free kick. Can we have another look at the goal? Yes. This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. Tackle here. Good defending. Here's Bellerin. Galloway. Hector Bellerin. And the added time will amount to 3 minutes at least.
3 minutes.
Here's a chance to attack. Patience is the name of the game at the moment. They've coped with it well defensively. Kaká. And there goes the whistle for half-time. And the scoreline. Well, there's going to be an alteration now, and with the team trailing, you can understand why he's going to make it. Gets his foot in there. Dybala. Well, they're in a good position here. So the referee awards a free kick. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Dybala. Well, they look promising there in that wide area, but the defender's done well. Ashley Cole. Oh, free kick awarded by the referee. And it's a heading chance now. The goalkeeper with a textbook save and keeps the ball in his grasp. Iwobi. Throw in to come. They've got the ball rolling again straight away. Daniele De Rossi. Well, could be a booking here. For the ref, a decision, and the decision is yellow.
I don't think anybody, least of all the player, can have any complaints about that.
Dybala. Rodriguez. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Well, the goalkeeper will hope that it stays like that throughout the game. Banetta. Dybala. We've had an hour gone here and still 30 minutes left. They're grateful for that, to have an intervention like that and get back on the ball when they're defending so much. got the tackle in. Here's Kingsley Coman into the attacking third. Short passes, but they're keeping the ball. That's not a good cross at all, and easy to defend. Through pass. Defender to it first. De Rossi. Crisp defending there. Trying to thread it through here. Now he can cross it. Goes for goal with the header, and he knocks in the goal. Well, the substitute has made his mark on the game. Well, a little look of celebration, but inwardly he must be buzzing. Brilliant.
The defenders seemed to lose the concentration almost. They saw it coming from a long way out. Well, it was the anticipation as well, wasn't it? Just to get in front of his man.
That's given them a comfortable situation here. 3-0 as the game gets underway. Villa. 20 minutes of the 90 still to play. Now Frank Lampard. Just working away to try and find an opening. Here's a chance to counter-attack from that wasted cross by the opposition. Rodriguez. Galloway. It's going to be a substitution here for the home side. Here's Bellerin. Well, it will be a throw-in. It's looking good, this move. And in he goes with the tackle. And the assistant signals for the throw. Daniele De Rossi. Robbie Keane. Oh, he's through. And on the home bench, a substitute is clearly getting ready to come on. Yanga Mbiwa. Well, that'll be a throw. Hector Bellerin. He's coming forward with some danger. Chance from the... He's got his shot off now. James Rodriguez scores! And didn't he take that superbly? No slacking in these late minutes here, and the chance to extend their lead, and they have voraciously gobbled up the chance.
Well, they played some really good football out there today, and that was another example of it.
It's turning out to be a comfortable game, this. 4-0. It's a terrible place to give the ball away. Rodriguez. Dybala. Well, he saw the guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. Promising build-up until that challenge. David Villa. Was good progress with this attack. Gone for the through pass. Could score! And Lampard really connected. Goalkeeper did well. So the corner about to be taken.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a minimum of 3 minutes of added time.
Final whistle goes, only one side in it really, and the final score is 4-0. Well, it turned out to be a different kind of game to the one perhaps we set up for you at the beginning. Very one-sided. Yeah, you end up feeling a bit disappointed as a neutral because we didn't really get a contest, but the winning team won't be disappointed at all, played well. Well, let's talk a word or two about James Rodriguez at the final whistle. Alan, what do you think he did well and maybe not so well today?